Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. So looking at the markets today, it's about a little after 2:30. It's about an hour and a half left in the day. There's a lot of consolidation going on. See, the S&P is only down about 3 1/3 points. We were a little bit more bullish earlier in the day and then sold off. The Nasdaq is also up very slightly, up a little bit more than 1/10%. Market's basically waiting, everyone. Tomorrow morning, before the opening bell, we get the producer price index, or wholesale inflation as they call it. And then that leads us to the CPI on Wednesday morning before the opening bell. These are two very important inflation readings on the economy. The Fed is looking at September as the potential start of their rate cutting. And what they really need to see is that inflation continues to stay steady, preferring that it continues to fall, a disinflationary rate. And if you see that, the market may react bullishly tomorrow. The expectation is that inflation is going to continue to decline. Now, if for some reason either the PPI or more importantly the CPI comes in higher than expected, this market is very likely to sell off again to the downside, because it's not that the Federal Reserve is not going to act, because I think the Federal Reserve is more concerned about a recession now than a huge run-up in inflation. But if the Fed could write its own script, it would prefer to see lower inflation. And that's probably how the markets are going to react. So be flexible, be careful, but be ready to trade the market's reaction tomorrow morning, and then more importantly, Wednesday morning. Thanks, everyone.